Hello. This is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Hotmail account for free. First, go to hotmail.com. Then click Create Free Account button. Create a new email address that is available. You can add random numbers in between if the username you want is already taken. Now create a strong password for your Hotmail account. The password must be strong with the combination of upper, lower cases, numbers and special characters. Hit Next. Now enter your name. Select your address and then your birth date. Now complete the simple human verification challenge. After that, you will be signed in to your new Hotmail account you just created. You can write down your email address and password to remember for later. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.